"Alert, unidentified signal detected," chirped the small, spherical robot floating beside the captain's chair. Edward gripped the controls of his starship, the Stardust Drifter, his eyes wide with excitement. Outside the panoramic viewport, a tapestry of distant galaxies glittered against the inky blackness. "On screen, Bolt," Edward commanded, his voice steady despite the thrill coursing through him. A holographic display shimmered to life, showing a gentle, pulsing wave. "It's not a standard distress call," Bolt whirred, its optical sensors glowing blue. "The frequency is melodic." Edward leaned forward, mesmerized. A song from the stars. This was a new kind of adventure. Edward adjusted the ship's trajectory, the powerful engines humming in response. "Let's go investigate, Bolt," said Edward. "Full power to the celestial coordinates." The Stardust Drifter surged forward into the vast, beautiful unknown. "Our destination is inside the Orion Nebula," Bolt announced, projecting a map of swirling magenta and cyan clouds. "To conserve energy, I suggest we perform a gravitational assist around Jupiter." Edward nodded, expertly guiding the Stardust Drifter toward the giant gas planet. "A gravity slingshot. Excellent idea, Bolt." Edward felt the immense pull of the planet as they approached. Bolt explained, "By using Jupiter's powerful gravitational field, we can accelerate the ship without using much fuel. It's all about physics." Edward felt like a cosmic surfer, riding a wave of gravity as the ship whipped around the planet and shot off at an incredible new speed. Ahead, the nebula grew larger, a magnificent cosmic cloud where new stars were being born. Edward felt a sense of wonder bubble up inside him. The Stardust Drifter glided silently into the glowing heart of the nebula. Wisps of interstellar dust and gas, illuminated by newborn stars, drifted past the viewport like colorful ghosts. The mysterious signal grew stronger, and Bolt translated the energy waves into audible sound. A breathtaking harmony filled the cockpit, a series of deep, resonant hums and high, twinkling chimes. It was the most beautiful music Edward had ever heard. "But Bolt," Edward whispered, "I thought there was no sound in the vacuum of space." "Correct," Bolt affirmed. "Sound needs a medium, like air, to travel. What we are detecting are electromagnetic waves. The ship's computer is converting their frequencies into sounds our ears can appreciate. It's a symphony of pure energy." Edward watched, utterly captivated by the celestial performance. Following the melodic waves, Edward navigated deeper into the densest part of the cloud. And then they saw it. Nestled in a cocoon of shimmering gas was a cluster of brilliant, pulsating lights. They weren't fully formed stars yet. "They're protostars," Bolt exclaimed, its voice filled with robotic awe. "These are infant stars, just beginning to ignite. The rhythmic pulses of energy they release as they gather mass and heat are creating this incredible music." Edward stared at the stellar nursery, realizing they were witnessing the very birth of new suns. "It's a stellar symphony," Edward breathed, a wide smile spreading across his face. He felt so privileged to see something so rare and beautiful. "Bolt, we have to record this. This is a discovery that shows how artistic the universe can be." With the celestial music safely recorded, Edward gently turned the Stardust Drifter around, leaving the stellar nursery in peace. The journey home felt different. The silence of space no longer seemed empty, but filled with the memory of the symphony. Edward knew he had found something special, not a ship in trouble, but a natural masterpiece hidden in the cosmos. Exploration wasn't always about daring rescues. Sometimes it was about quiet observation and profound discovery. Edward looked at the star charts, his heart full of happiness and a renewed sense of purpose. He, Edward, was an explorer of cosmic wonders. "Where to next, Bolt?" Edward asked, his gaze already drifting toward a distant, unexplored spiral galaxy. The universe was full of music, and Edward couldn't wait to hear its next song.